Okay, so the next step with the CZAR community is really important, and I need your help with it. We've made some good progress. The book is underway. It's going to be published hopefully pretty soon. There's a lot of chapters in here, a lot of shout outs to interesting people. I posted the draft link to it on Telegram. You can add comments and put your input in here at any time. I'll incorporate it. We got 2 songs officially posted on Spotify for the CZAR community. I'm in the middle of negotiations to figure out a deal on how we can get utility so that people holding CZAR can post anything on this massive, like 48-foot wide digital billboard, and there's other utility I'm exploring as well. But the real next thing that I need help with right now is the community declaration. This is a document that basically says that us, the community, we, the community, have taken over the project because the original founders dumped it. And this is like this gives us like legitimacy in what we're doing and the long-term vision that we have and what we're trying to accomplish. It outlines kind of what happened historically. It outlines what we've done. It outlines some of like the general next steps and like ground ethic rules and like what we're trying to do. This is like a legitimate build, a legitimate community, a couple next steps. It's very, very generic. It really just legitimizes that the community has taken over. And I need to put this up for vote so that it's authenticated and we know that like actually community members cared about this and voted on it. So to do that, we're using Realms.Today. This is basically the most popular and most comprehensive community governance platform that exists on Solana. You can check it out, do your own research, right? Just like feel comfortable. And when you go inside, you'll see that there's a lot, like pretty much all the big DAOs in Solana are here. Like for Bonk's DAO is run on here, and I encourage you to check it out. You can see the proposals that have been voted on and proposed and how that looks. You can see what their treasury balance is. You can see what the governance rules are, all that kind of stuff. So when you're in here, just type in CZAR. I created a community place for us to all collaborate and work together on this stuff as well. So first things that you'll see are that, I did a couple testing, just kind of setting things up, sort of proposals, because I'm still like organizing it. You'll see that I'm in the process of donating a good portion of the total supply into the community treasury. And this will be in the future for us to vote on and decide what to do with. But really what we need to do is get you into a place where you can actually participate in the voting, right? So when you're here, you can see who are the members. And right now, there's 3 people that have participated in the DAO so far. And so what we need to do is this. You need to connect your wallet in, right? Once you've connected your wallet, accidentally went out, go back to CZAR, and you need to deposit in whatever voting power you're comfortable with or interested in having on here. I've put in a pretty substantial portion, and I'll show what that looks like. So I'm just going to put in, I don't know, just for a sample purpose, I'm going to put in 10,000 more CZAR into my voting power. And you'll see that right now I'm at 250,000 voting power. I'm putting in another 10,000, and let's give it a second. So there, now my voting power went up a little bit. So the more voting power that you have in Realms, the more influence you have on the proposals that go through. And very soon I'm going to put this community declaration up for vote. And once it's up for vote, we only have a few days to cast our votes. So phase 1 is I need everyone to get yourselves ready, get your voting power ready, put it in here so that we can see you in the members list and you can see that you're a part of the DAO. And then once that's in there, then once you have like enough people in there, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the declaration up for vote, and then we'll all have 7 days to vote on it. And between now and then, you still have time to put comments and help me, change this or update it however you like. So that's the start to finish, of what we're trying to do. Of course, you can withdraw your tokens at any time. I don't run Realms. Like Realms just happens to be the biggest and like baddest governance platform that exists on Solana. I have a lot of trust in it. Do your own research, of course, but that's how it runs. That's how it works. That's how other communities on Solana are doing it. I appreciate your help. Let me know when it's done so I can update and just like have a look at the members list, and then I can put this thing up for vote, and then we can move on to the next steps. All right, thanks.